Welcome to another episode of How We Make It. Today I'm going to be making a vacuum chamber. Hi, my name is Stephen Crosby. I'm a machinist here at G&B. We build and mill big parts for vacuum industry. I've got a print for a chamber. So I look at the print and I figure out what I need tooling wise to machine, what tolerances I have, what lines up with what from side to side. They're big chambers, so I have to make things line up from different sides, different faces. I get an idea of what I need and I go to the computer and I start to program this job. Come over here and measure depths, diameters, make sure that what I need to do is being done. And then I proceed to mill it and machine it. When I go to mount the part on the table, I have to take into effect all the vibrations that I'm going to get out of the part. Most of this stuff is very not thin-walled for what it is, but it's actually thin-walled for how big it is. So I get a lot of vibration. So the machine is set up. We have it on an isolated cement pad, so the vibrations don't go from one machine to the other. Sometimes I have to use wood, rubber to isolate the vibrations of the machine, change my feed rates and the speeds to the tools, change tools, go from smaller to bigger, bigger to smaller, and then I have to brace it in such a way that as I go to cut it, I can keep the finishes and the tolerances that the machine or the print is calling out for. So here at G&B, some of the parts that we cut are enormous. I've cut stuff that's 15 feet in diameter in a setup. Getting that to stay down is tricky, but we find ways to do pretty much anything here. We're pretty crafty, so we do our best. He's got 30 years experience in this shop. This guy's got 10 years experience in this shop. Our capabilities are so big that we weld all our chambers together and then we machine them that way we hit all of our tolerances, all of our finishes, and not a lot of people can do that. We have really big machines here that have the capabilities to do that. If you tried talking with other people and they can't do it, they don't have the machine sizes, they don't have the experience, the knowledge to do it, here at G&B, we can do it, and we do it. I have a vacuum chamber on the machine currently that I'm in the process of cutting. I'm going to change a tool so I can continue. For all of your vacuum chamber needs, try us here at G&B. We have the equipment, we have the knowledge. It's the last call you'll need to make. Thank you very much.